Hello, I am R. Padmadevi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about error handling. Error handling. In this, we are going to discuss about no error handling, resume next, on error go to handler, resume from handler, try catch code block, error object. First, we are going to discuss about no error handling. This is an sample program. In this sample program, we declare result as a variable in the integer data type. And we are getting the values through the text box n1 and n2 as integer and displaying the result in the label result. In the label result, it displays the value result is. So when we give the input as n1 is equal to 10 and n2 is equal to 2, it divides the values and shows the result as 5. Next, we are going to discuss about the no error handling. Since we have declared as an integer data type, when we give the input as string n1 is equal to red and n2 is equal to green, it displays the result as error. Next, we are going to discuss about on error resume next. The same sample program, when we give the input as string red and green and we are using the on error resume next, it skips the error and displays the result as 0. Next one is on error go to handler. In this sample, we are using the on error go to handle error. So when the error occurs, it skips the particular line and goes to the handle error statement. There we can use the label and we can display the value according to the error. So in this sample program, when we enter the input as string red and green, it skips the error and move to the handle error and display the result as error, which we have displayed in the label error. Next is resume from handler. Here we are going to use on error go to handle error statement. In that we are using the resume next statement. So when the error occurs, it moves to the go to handle error and skips the error and resumes from the next statement. So here when we give the input as string red and green, it displays the value in the handle error statement and also displays the result as 0. Next is try catch code block. Here we are giving the coding in the try. So there we are dividing the value and displaying the result. When the error occurs in the catch exception, it gets the error descriptions and displays the value. Finally, also displays the statement given by us. So here when we give the input as red and green, it displays the details about the error in the catch exception and also the value we displayed in the finally. Next is error object. So error is also considered as an object. It consists of properties and methods. So properties we have description, number and source. In description, it displays the details about the error. In number, it displays the error number. And in source, it displays from where the error has been occurred. Methods. We have two methods, clear and raise method. Raise method is used to create our own error and clear method is used to clear the error created by us. Thank you.